Oh yeah, so I'm getting ready to take, which is this piece here, and then I'm going to start on taking the having a brain fart. I got to take the heat shield off of the EGR valve, then take the EGR valve off. But look at this is the IMAP sensor. It's supposed to be see-through all the way around like that. Right there too, it's supposed to be see-through. You're supposed to be able to, it's like a little cage, you're supposed to be able to see through it though. So yeah, that thing is fucked. That definitely wasn't reading right. The sensor is actually up in here, up in the plastic housing. But this is supposed to be just like a little cage that it is supposed to be see-through all the way around, so yeah. And it was hard as hell getting out of there. I had to use a screwdriver and kind of pry it a little bit and twist it and pry it and twist it to get all the carbon broke off of it to even get it out of the hole. So the carbon buildup that was on it was bigger than the hole it went in. So yeah, it's fucking awesome. So yeah, it's that definitely needed replaced. I mean, this needed done, but I'm just saying that needed replaced bad. So yeah, I had this is how I got this thing out of the way, just to get to that pipe. But yeah, I ended up having to take the fucking rubber hose off it right here. Come on, focus. And then I'm gonna have to take the whole intake off with the pipe. But it's already bent right here, so I think I'm gonna have to replace the pipe anyway. Because you see how it's pushed into this one? It's not supposed to be touching that, so when I was twisting it, I actually bent this up like this. It's supposed to go straight down and then over, but it's like bent like that because I was trying to loosen it, and it's froze up right here to this nut. It's not supposed to be that way. This is supposed to spin free. So I'm probably gonna have to get a new pipe for that. So awesome. I'm gonna replace that rubber hose too if I replace that pipe. That thing looks old as fuck. So yeah, but I'm gonna take the intake off now, and then I'm gonna take the EGR valve off, and then start on this side. So that'll be everything on the driver's side. And then once I get that done, I'm gonna come over here, pull this off, and pull this fucking fuel doser little pipe out. And this actually has coolant running through it, but I think it needs replaced anyway because somebody put it on and it's all twisted up. It shouldn't be like that. So for now, I'm gonna clamp this off so it doesn't leak, and I'm just gonna replace it with a new one. And then I gotta replace that little pipe with a flexible one, and then take that one out, this one here out, clean it, and replace that sensor up there. So yeah, so I'm gonna see how much a new EGR valve is. If it's not like stupid expensive, I'll probably just replace it. But if it is stupid expensive, then I'll just clean that one really good, and hopefully it works good. But yeah, it's from what I've been doing research on, those should be taken off and cleaned every like 400,000 miles. And I think that's the original one on the truck, so it's probably never been cleaned. So it's probably fucked. But we'll see. I'll try cleaning it and see how bad it is. And if it's cheap, I'll just get a new one anyway. But if it's not cheap, I'll just clean it as good as I can, and hopefully it'll work good. Yeah. So we'll see.